Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. Today we'll discuss about environmental management system and its application. Presentation on environmental management system and its application. We'll discuss about benefits of implementation and EMS, training and awareness, role and challenges of an EMS in this session. In the environmental management, we can resource the use by management of resource use and efficiency, energy and water use, controlling and reducing the water usage and being energy efficient, waste generation, carbon emission, and biodiversity. We'll discuss the introduction to environmental management system. An environmental management system is a framework for managing environmental responsibilities. It helps organizations to improve their environmental performance and comply with regulations. EMS can be integrated into other management systems to enhance overall efficiency. We can see EMS can be worked as a plan, it can be doable, and it can be checked, and it can be hacked. In a plan, we can see a goals and objectives and environmental management plan. In what can we do in this EMSs, we can implement, we can train and educate. In check, we can monitor and internal external audits can be detectable. In what we can be act means corrective and preservative action management review. Key components of environmental management system. The main components including policy, planning, implementation, checking, and management review. These elements work together to establish an effective system for environmental management. Continuous improvement is a core principle that drives the evolution of an EMS. The policy of the development life cycle is the agenda setting. In the agenda setting, we can see identify the need of a new policy, and the next is assigning a policy author and approver, and third one is research, collect data and engage with the subject matter expenses, and next one is creation, writing the policy, review and revise the document and subject experts approve the policy, and in the implementation distribute the policy to relevant individuals and departments and obtain policy acknowledgement, training and implementation, and in the maintenance reporting and monitoring review make possible updates. The benefits of implementing an EMS: organizations can reduce waste and resource consumption, leading to cost savings. An effective EMS enhances the organization's reputations and stakeholders' trust. Compliance with environment regulations is more easily achieved with an EMS in place. ISO 14001 standards, it can says that ISO 14001 is the international standard for environmental management systems. It provides a robust framework to help organizations improve their environmental performance. Certification to ISO 14001 demonstrates a commitment to sustainability and responsible practices. This framework detects that leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, improvement, context of the organization. And next is EMS implementation process and how will the process of implementation will go on. We'll discuss. The implementation process begins with the development of an environmental policy. Organization must identify environmental aspects and impacts associated with their activities and setting the objectives and targets is crucial for guiding the EMS implementation effectively. And next is training and awareness. Employee training is essential to ensure everyone understands their role within the EMS. Awareness campaigns can enhance organizational culture regarding environmental responsibility. Engaging employees foster a proactive approach to environmental management. Monitoring and measurement. Regular monitoring of the environmental performance is necessary to evaluate progress. Measurement of specific indicators helps identify areas for improvement. Data collected informs decision making and helps reduce negative environmental impacts. Auditing and review. We'll discuss what is auditing and what is review and how it works. Internal audits assess the effectiveness of the EMS and compliance with policies. Management reviews ensure that the EMS remains aligned with organizational objectives. Continuous feedback loops allow for timely adjustment and improvements. Legal compliance. An EMS helps organization stay informed about relevant environmental laws and regulations. It minimizes the risk of non-compliance and potential legal penalties. Regular reviews of compliance status support ongoing legal adherence. Stakeholder engagement. Involving stakeholder in the EMS processes enhances transparency and trust. Feedback from stakeholders can provide valuable insights for improvement. Active engagement fosters a collaborative approach to environmental management. Case study on EMS. We'll discuss the case study on manufacturing sectors. Many manufacturing companies have successfully implemented EMS to reduce waste. These organizations often report significant cost saving and efficiency gain. The case study highlights the importance of employee involvement in achieving the goals. We'll case study on researcher circumstances, case, analyzing key data, criteria, knowledge. These are the key components of the case study of an EMS. And next is case study on construction industry. The construction industry faces unique environmental challenges, making EMS vital. Companies have adopted EMS to minimize site pollution and resource usage. Successful projects demonstrate improved sustainability practices and community relations. We can see here the document of the construction of the case study. And next is EMS in hospitality sectors. How EMS will work in the hospitality sectors. The hospitality sectors can benefit from EMS by enhancing guest experiences through sustainability. Programs focusing on waste reduction and energy efficiency are insecurely popular. Positive environmental practices can attract the co-conscious travelers and it can boost the profitability. And next is role of technology in EMS. How technology works in the EMS. Technology plays a crucial and critical role in streamlining EMS processes and data collection. Software solutions can assist in tracking compliance and performance metrics. Innovations is monitoring and reporting enhance overall effectiveness and transparency. And next is challenges in EMS implementation. Resistance to change is a common challenge when implementing an EMS. Limited resource may hinder the full adoption of an effective system. Organization must address these challenges through strategic planning and support. And next is future trends in EMS. There is a growing trend towards integrating EMS with other management practices, sustainability and circular economy principle and increasingly being adopted. Organizations are expected to prioritize climate change mitigation in their EMS strategies. These are the future trends in the EMS will be implemented in the future or in the coming days. And next is certification and recognitions of EMS in the society. Achieving certification can enhance an organizational marketability and credibility. Recognition programs can motivate organizations to strive for environmental excellence, and certification processes often promote best practices and continuous improvement. These are the certifications and the recognitions can achieved by the EMS in the society. And next is corporate social responsibility. We can call it as CSR. An effective EMS supports broader corporate social responsibility initiatives. Organizations can align their environmental goals with social and economical objectives, and these alignments strengthens the overall impact of CSR efforts on communities and stakeholders. CSR is nothing but a corporate social responsibility. What are the key components of corporate social responsibility means? Sincerity, market responsibility, ethics, sustainability, resources, goal, long term, and so on. These are the responsibilities of a corporate social. And next is we'll come to the conclusion part. An environmental management system is essential for sustainable organizational practices. The benefit of implementing an EMS extend beyond compliance and cost saving. Ongoing commitment and improvement are crucial for long term success in the environmental management. This can be hacked in a EMS, and these are the activities can be done. We can see that in the picture. These are the activities should be done in the EMS or environmental management system. First, we are going to plan and we will do it, and we can check it and we can perform or we can act that EMS system. In the plan, we can set the goals and objectives, and we can environmental management plans can be applied. In the doing process, we can implement and we can give training and education to the society. In the check, we can monitor and we can internal and external audits can be implemented. In the act session, we can corrective and prevention can be action can be done, and management review also can be done in the act session. And next is questions and discussion. Thank you for your attention, and I invite questions regarding this presentation. Open discussion can lead to valuable insights and shared experience in EMS. Let's explore how we can collaboratively enhance environmental management practices. Thank you for attending this session, and thank you for listening. Thank you.